Hey everyone, this is Enigma from SportsCardForum.com, your #1 site for online trading and discussion. Today we'll be busting a box of 2007 Ultimate Collection Baseball. Each pack contains an average of 2 memorabilia and 1 signature card. There are 4 packs per box with 4 cards per pack. This box was provided to us by CardsByTheBox.com, Sports Card Forum's #1 place for purchasing boxes. These packs are part of a group break happening on SportsCardForum.com. If you're interested in acquiring these cards, feel free to come check us out. Look up the members that pick up these cards, and I'm sure they will be more than happy to discuss trades with you. Now, on to the break. Opened up the box to this point just to save us some time. Here we go with pack 1. And let's see what we have here. Got a base card, 244 of 450 of Manny Ramirez. We have a Ultimate Star Materials, Jeremy Hermida. Looks like it's a patch. Looks like there's a little black on the edge there. Thought it might be a pinstripe as well, but it looks like it is raised, not sure. We have an autograph of Chad Cordero. And then we have a dual jersey, number 12 of 24 of Grady Sizemore. Pack 2. We have a base card, 440 of 550 of Frank Thomas. We have a jersey with pinstripe of Josh Willingham. Have an autograph card of Stephen Drew. And then we have an Ultimate Star Materials, looks like piece of bat, of Derek Jeter. Pack 3. Base card, 439 of 450 of Johan Santana. Have a jersey card, Ultimate Star Materials of Jake Peavy. Have a sweet patch auto, numbered 5 of 5 of Paul Konerko. It's a 3-color patch. Very, very nice. Then we have Ultimate Star Materials, Roy Oswalt jersey. And our 4th and final pack of 07 Ultimate Collection Baseball. Oh, that one slid right out. Let's find it. There it is. Let's see here what we got. Base card, Kenji Jojima, 222 of 450. Have a jersey card of Mark Teixeira. Have an autograph rookie card of Brandon Wood, numbered 217 of 299. And our final card is a jersey card of Ozzie Smith of the Cardinals. And that concludes our break of 2007 Ultimate Collection Baseball. Once again, these cards were provided for a group break on SportsCardForum.com. If interested in picking up any of these cards, feel free to come by the site, look up the members who picked up these cards, and you may contact them at that time. Also, this box was provided to us by CardsByTheBox.com, Sports Card Forum's #1 place for picking up boxes. Once again, I am Enigma from SportsCardForum.com. Look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.